Yeah, hi guys, good morning. So if you want to declare, variables as well as what are the data types and what is numeric and what is alphanumeric, okay, today we are going to see. And the very first thing we are going to discuss, so how many divisions are there in a COBOL programming, okay? So mainly we have 4 divisions. One is identification division, second one is environment division, third one is data division and procedure division, okay. Next one is data items. So what is data items? So here we will see WS data. So if you observe this line, okay, this is called data item. So in this data item, there are so many levels, okay, that we are going to discuss. So what is 01 here? So 01 here it is level number, okay, level numbers. And what is WS data? WS data here, it is a variable or field. Next, it is pick. Pick is a picture class over here. So this is for common. Next, what is X here? X is a data type. What is 20? 20 is the size. Then what is value? Value we are going to use to assign some values to our field, okay? So this is called data item. This entire thing, we'll call it as data item. So if you want to declare a variable, so we need to write it like this. So this is called variable declaration, data items, okay? So if someone will come and declare a variable, then you have to write this first line, okay? So here, what is 01? 01 is the level numbers. Okay, we'll talk about what is level number and what is field and what is picture class and data types and why we are going with the size and all. Okay. So here 01 is a level number. WS data. So here you can keep your name also, whatever it is. So it's like in a naming conventional. Okay. WS data. Then here it is a picture class is a common for all. So X is a data type. If you want to store alphanumeric, okay, then 20 is the size. We can store 20 bytes of memory. Value mainframes. This is how we can declare the variables. Okay. Then here we are talking about level numbers, right? Level numbers. So here we have level numbers 0 to 49. You can declare any of the level numbers. Okay. So sorry, 1 to 49. 1 to 49. We have level numbers and there are some special level numbers 66, 77 and 88. I'll tell you when we are going to use 67, 77 and 88. Okay. So far you can remember 1 to 49. Okay. Then variable. So variable is nothing but if you want to store some data, okay, I want to use my name, okay, I want to store my name. So in that case, what you can do, so we'll declare as WS name, WS account number, WS, what to say, there are some fields like WS amount, okay, that is called variable. So level numbers are clear and variables. Then picture class, okay, picture class is common for all the variables while declaring. So here, data types. What is data type? Okay, sometimes I want to store, okay, sometimes I want to store numbers and alphabets and alphanumerics, okay, or sign values and decimal values. So in that case, we will go with the data type. Next, size. So I want to store a very big number. Like I want to store one paragraph. So that time we are going to declare a length of the string or number. So value, we are going to assign some value to a variable. Are you clear? Any doubts here?
Vinod bro, your voice is not clear.
So is it fine now? Hello.
Hello. Oh yes, yes,
So is it clear for everyone?
it's clear.
See, this is called, this entire thing we are going to call it as data item. Okay. First one is level number, then variable. WS data is a variable here. Pic is a picture class. X is the data type. 20 is the size. And if you want to assign some value to variable, then we are going to give it as a value and directly we are going to write the string here. Okay. This is how we are going to declare the variables. Okay. So this is the background of declaring the variables. So we have a level numbers 1 to 49, 66, 77, and 88. So you can give any of the value here. Okay. Up to 0, 1 to 49. Then 66, 77, there are special level numbers. Okay. If we based on requirement, we can use those also. Then WS data is a variable or field. Okay. We are going to use that one. Picture class is a pic is a picture class. Okay. This is the basic syntax. X is a data type over here. 20 is the size. Okay. Value we are going to assign as a mainframes. Okay. If we are going to print WS data, now you will get mainframes because we are assigning the value as a mainframes here. Okay. Next thing is data type. Okay. N is for, sorry, 9 is for numeric. A is for alphabets. X is for alphanumeric, S is for sign, VR dot is for decimal values. You have to remember these these 5 things, okay? So mostly we are going to use 9 and X, and sometimes if it is a amount field, we are going to use dot or decimal. Okay, you guys already know what is numbers, okay? 0 to 9. It will start from 0 to 9. For example, I'll keep some number over here. This is a number. Alphabets A to Z or capital A to capital Z. So if it is alphanumeric, so it contains characters as well as the numbers. So if it is a sign, in the sense, it contains plus or minus values, plus 55 or minus 675 or something. So decimal values, there is some amount, 9.54. See, these are the data types. So these are very important, okay? What is data item? Inside the data item, what is level number? Okay, what is level number and what is the field? And what is the data type over here? What is the size and what is the value it is assigned to this variable? And the next point is, how many types of data types do we have? Okay, so these are the main things. Okay, 9 we are going to use for numerics, A for alphabet, X for alphanumeric, S for sign, VR dot for decimals. Okay, let's start with the practical. If you want to practice, just go to Google and type COBOL online compiler. So how many divisions are there in COBOL programming? Can someone tell me?
4 divisions on
Okay, what are those?
data division, physical division, and environmental division.
Okay, good. So if you want to write any program, or if you see any of the COBOL program, you can observe. Okay, so there is an identification division with program ID is a mandatory. Next, in data division under working storage section, we are going to declare the variables. Procedure division, we are going to write our logics, and stop run is to exit our program. Okay. So here we have seen how to declare a variable. Okay. 01 WS customer name. 1 minute. Okay, if you want to declare a variable, okay, we can give 01 ws customer name pick x of 30. What is the value I'm passing? Okay, here you can see just I'm passing is Kiran Kumar. Yes, something. Okay. So how many bytes it can store? It can store 30 bytes of memory. Oh. Next one is I'm going to declare 01 ws phone number pick x of. Okay, I'm going to give suppose unfortunately 5. Actual value is 10, but unfortunately I have given as 5. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, I need to print these values. Just use display. Put it in a double quotes. See, whatever the value we are going to keep it in a double quotes, the same value it is going to print it. This is for our understanding. User understandable purpose, we are going to give it is in a double quotes. Okay, I'll give you without double quotes and we'll see. Display ws name, display ws phone number. Let's try to execute now. So just here you can observe, okay, Kiran Kumar is 98765. So we are not sure what is 98765 and what is Kiran Kumar is. So that is the reason whenever you are going to print, okay, before that what we will do, just we will give ws name or something so that user can understand easily. Okay, now we can execute now. See, if you observe this one, ws name equal to Kiran Kumar is, okay, the phone number 98765. Here you may get a doubt. Okay, here you may get a doubt like, okay, why 54321 has been printed? Okay, it should get print 98765 because we have given only 5 bytes. Okay, just observe here. So here I have given as a 3 and here I have given as a 5. Just try to execute. So this is very, very important. Just observe. Whenever you are going to declare as a X, I mean alphanumeric, alphanumeric, first byte it will take, okay, first 3 bytes it will take KIR or AN, okay. So if we are given only 3, it will take KIR. It will come from a left side. If it is an X, it will take the bytes from left side, okay. Rest of the values will get truncate. Truncate in the sense it won't take these values. Okay, now you can see phone number. It will start from, whenever it is a number, it will start from right side. Numbers from right side, alphanumerics from left side. Okay, I'll write one more thing. Okay, you can tell me what is the output we can expect. So if I print an amount, okay, if I print an amount, what is the output we will get? Wait, I'll call you. I'll call someone. Sivappa, can you tell me what is the amount field I can expect in output?
Sir?
Yeah, if I print an amount field, okay,
Hello.
what is the output it will print, and how many bytes it will store, and what is the value?
4, 5.
4, 5. Yes, good. Because it will take it from a right side.
2 bytes.
Yes. If it is a customer name, okay, I am going to give
4
5 bytes now. What is the value it will get print? If it is a customer name.
Right.
Yeah. For first 5 bytes, it will get print.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. You can go on mute.
5 bytes, sir.
Yes.
KIRNK.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
See here. Now I have given 5 bytes. It will take from left side. If it is a numbers, always it will take from a right side. You have to keep it in the mind. Okay. Unfortunately, I have given as a 21. Okay. I have given as a 21. In this case, it will leading with the zeros. Just you can observe. The initial value always for a numbers as a zeros. Numbers for zeros and alphanumerics for spaces. I think my internet is very slow. So that's why it is taking some time. Okay. See here. It took from left side 5 bytes. Phone number, it is taking from a right side, and rest of the places it is printing as a zeros. If the value is there, then value will get print. Otherwise, it won't get print. Okay. Okay, 9 of 2 or V of 9 of 2. See, if you observe this one, okay, it took first 2 bytes, okay, first 2 bytes from a number, it's like 45. So it don't find any number after the dot. So that's why it didn't get print anything. Okay. So this is the decimal number. Okay, let's observe. So if it is a number, it will take from right side. So again, if you are coming to decimal, okay, again here after the dot, it will take from 2 bytes. See 67, 45 by 67. This is how we can declare the variables. Okay, this is how we can declare the variables. And this is the difference between characters, numbers, as well as for a decimal numbers. So any doubts here, you can ask me. See, basics are very, very important. Okay, next thing. So now, instead of 9 of 5, right? So how we can declare the same? So I can give 9999, okay? How many 9s are there here? There are 5 9s, okay? So that it will store 9 of 5, okay? 5 bytes of memory. See, both are same only. So instead of going to write this many 9s, what I'm going to do here, just I'm writing as a 9 of 5. Okay, I'll give you one more example. So rating, pick 9. I'll give as pick 99. So this means it will store 9 of 2 bytes. Sometimes if it is a x means only 1 byte. If you are given x something, so this means, so this is a x of 6. If it is 9, this is equal to 9 of 5 or 6. Okay, see, both are same mode. This is how we can declare our variables as well as the storage also. Say I want to store some big number like 9 or 15 number. So instead of going to declare this many 9s, okay, simply we can write 9 of 15. Simply we can write 9 of 15 over here. So okay, good. Now coming to customer name. So the next topic is like, here we are going to discuss what is group element and what is elementary elements. Okay, whatever it is, like it is in a picture class. So these are all individual elements. Okay, these are all individual elements. So there is no dependency here. Now we can observe 0, 1, WS, student name. Now 0, 5, WS, first name, pick X of 20. 0, 5, WS, mid name, pick X of 10. 0, 1, WS, last name. Just observe, guys. See, this is called group variable. Okay. So if there is no picture class, then that is a group variable. So inside the group variable, we are going to declare as a elementary variable. So this we will call it as elementary variables because these variables are under WS name. So here, if you see the level number so that you can understand. See, 0, 1 is a first level number. So after that, 0, 5. So that means, so by seeing the structure itself, we can understand. Okay. Here, which one is a group variable and which one is the elementary variable. So this one is a group variable, WS student name, because there is no picture class, as well as there are some sub elements here. Okay, there are sub elements. Okay, what is the use of this one? Okay, what is the use of this one? We'll see. So there are two ways to assign a value. We can directly write an value. Okay. Otherwise, there is a keyword move. Okay. Move Kiran to WS first name. Okay, fine. Move. What is the middle name? Kiran Kumar to WS mid name. So just I'm assigning the values. OWS last name to WS last name. Last name I'm going to keep it as some K. Okay, just observe. So I want to display my entire full name. Okay. So I want only middle name. Okay. Just I want only middle name. I can display middle name directly. So I need, see here I can see Kumar. I want my last name. So you can call it as last name. See, I need my entire full name here. So I need entire full name. So in that case, no need to write first name, middle name, and last name. Just directly you can print this group variable. Directly you can print this group variable. See, because this is a group, right? So all the elementary elements will group it into a group variable. See, here you can observe Kiran, first 20 bytes. Then after Kumar, it took 10 bytes. Okay, after this, it is taking some 20 bytes, something. Okay, this is how it will work group variable. So you can write many number of groups here. So if you want to keep 05 WS city state, okay, you can call it as city state. After this dot, what you can do, you can give one more group variable, sorry, one more elementary WS city pick x of 20. Next 10 WS state pick x of 10. So here, if there is no picture class, then that is a group element. Okay, these three values, okay, these three values will get stored in a this variable. Okay, now these two values will get stored into a WS state. So this entire thing, it is storing in a this variable. Okay, you can call it as, so WS student name is a parent element here. Under this parent element, okay, one more sub element. Okay, not one more, there are 4 sub elements. Again, this one is a sub element under sub elements. Okay, this we can call it as a parent element here. So this is a parent for city and state. This one is for parent for this all. So this is how we can declare as many you want, but in a real time and all, okay, normally it should be 1 or 2 groups only. Oh, it's not more than that. It's okay. Just I'm going to declare a value. Bangalore. See, it got printed Kiran Kumar K Bangalore, because this is the group variable. See, I'm not printing any WS city here.